They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? On praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? When will tomorrow? No. When will it come? Yeah. Will it stop hurting so much? So much? No. When will it come?
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come silent in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we each other's skin above. Finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven. Made heart space for the one. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never going back to when. Before you forgot my worth, your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Maybe you only want.
Morning guys. Welcome to a new vlog. I did not open up this vlog. Hope you guys are good, hope you guys are great, hope you guys are fabulous. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mogomotsi Mdluli. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you become part of the family. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for returning. I truly appreciate you. I do not take you guys for granted at all. Thank you for the love, thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments. Yeah, you are truly appreciated. Please remember to watch all the ads. Please watch the video till the end. I would highly appreciate it. Yeah, it's the start of a new vlog. I've already started the vlog. It's a Friday, I'm at work. Yeah, let's catch up later.
Push me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. The facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit here waiting on you? I am enough forever or never type of it's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. Hey, you made a mistake.
Hi guys, welcome back to
Say that you changed,
what is happening on this vlog. Honestly speaking, the plans that I had for this vlog for this week did not materialize, and it's not because nothing happened. other plans that got in the way, and fatigue as well also got in the way. So apologies guys, I think this is gonna be a very, very short vlog, but I would highly appreciate if you watch till the end and watch the ads. Hope you watch the ads. Hope you are watching till the end, because I'm just here to close off the vlog. I'm on my way to work. Yeah, feeling very tired. Hey, very tired, and I slept. I tried to rest, but my body is still saying, "Tombazana, akuphumule, listen to your body." Yeah, so I'm on my way to work anyway. And yeah, man, I just wanted to, I don't know if I should apologize or what, but YouTube is putting a 2-minute or 3-minute ad on my video. I'm so sorry guys, and I appreciate the people who are watching that ad till the end. And I also do, when I watch other YouTubers, if there's an ad that's 3 minutes, I make sure I watch, because I know the importance of watching ads for on YouTube videos, you know. That's how we make money. So I appreciate you guys, I appreciate you so much. Yeah, that was this vlog, man. Yeah, all these guys, please yeah, but let's catch up on the next one. I'm hoping that one will be a better success than this one, but I'm gonna post it anyway, because for the love of vlogging, for the love of YouTube. So yeah, thank you so much. Love you loads. Hashtag Mablomo, hashtag DPaylo, standard procedure. Yeah, let's catch up on the next vlog, guys.